Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to connect a custom domain to your landing page in GetResponse quickly and easily. First, log into your GetResponse account. From the dashboard, click Landing Pages in the left-hand menu. Open the landing page you want to publish. Click Next until you reach the page settings. Under the Domain section, click Connect Custom Domain. If you haven't connected your domain yet, follow the prompts to add your domain name. GetResponse will provide the DNS records you need to configure. Now, log into your domain registrar, such as GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Hostinger. Open your domain's DNS settings, add the DNS records provided by GetResponse and save your changes. Keep in mind that DNS updates may take a few minutes or up to 24 hours to fully propagate. Once your domain is verified, return to GetResponse, select your custom domain from the drop-down menu. Choose the URL path for your landing page, click Publish. Finally, open your landing page in a browser to make sure it's loading correctly from your custom domain. That's it. You've successfully connected a custom domain to your GetResponse landing page. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick GetResponse tutorials, software guides, and online business tips.